is going down from the 80th floor to the lobby level at the Empire State Building in New York. Now it's past the 70th floor. Now we pass the 60th floor. Now we pass the 50th floor. 40th floor. 30th floor. 20th floor. 15th floor. 10th floor. 5th floor. And then the lobby level.